Imagine making heartwarming videos of people hugging giant animals or cute baby animals that will really catch people's attention. These adorable moments are perfect for sharing on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Many creators have grown their channels to thousands of subscribers and are earning over $2,000 a month by monetizing this engaging content. With just one powerful AI tool, you can start turning your ideas into viral videos too. If you want to create content that grabs attention and brings smiles to viewers' faces, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own giant animal hugging moments and fun baby animal videos using Dzine AI, a great AI tool made for content creators. We'll kick things off by creating the perfect image prompts, and then we'll easily turn those prompts into stunning images and animated videos. Stick around as I break down the steps you need to take to create your next viral video. Let's get started. The first step is to come up with a prompt for your images. I know that writing prompts can seem challenging, but I'm here to make it simple for you. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ChatGPT on Google. Once you find it, copy the prompt I've included in the video description and paste it into the text box on the ChatGPT page. After that, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 additional prompts featuring different cute baby animals, and then click Create. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will provide you with 10 brand new prompts showcasing a variety of adorable animals. It's really that easy. And if you're looking for even more prompts like this, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to share a collection of ready-to-use prompts on my website, so you'll have plenty of options to work with. With our prompts ready, it's time to create high-quality images. We will use Dzine AI for this. It's fantastic for creating stunning, hyper-realistic images and videos. First, click the link in the video description. This link will take you straight to Dzine AI, where you can sign up. You can sign in with your Google or email account. Dzine AI gives you 32 regular Q credits daily, with each image creation costing just 4 credits. This means you can generate several images every day. And if you want more credits, you can upgrade to a paid plan starting at just $9. Plus, the paid plans allow you to use your images for commercial purposes, like monetizing on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. Once logged in, you'll find a range of AI tools specifically designed for content creators. For now, we'll use the text-to-image option. Click on text-to-image, and you'll see why Dzine AI is special. First, select the style by clicking Fluxed Ion. Dzine AI offers a variety of styles, including realistic, illustration, portrait, 3D, anime, and many more options. To get the best result, I'm going with the Flux 1 style for now, but feel free to pick any style that suits your vision. Next, paste the first prompt we created using ChatGPT into the Dzine AI text box and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, and hit Generate. Dzine AI will then start generating your images, and within seconds, you'll see your stunning results appear on the right side of the screen. Take a close look at the image quality. It's impressive. The colors are vibrant, and the details are sharp, making each picture look almost lifelike. Dzine AI's advanced technology really brings out the best in every image. Now, you can drag or double-click any image to bring it onto a canvas, where you can quickly make edits. You can remove the background, use the AI eraser for fine details, or crop the image to fit your needs. When you're ready to download, just hit the download button. Dzine AI even lets you choose the file type and upscale the image to improve its quality. How cool is that? Go through this process for each animal prompt, and soon you'll have an amazing collection of high-quality images. In the next step, we'll animate these images. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing even more awesome Dzine AI features in future videos. You won't want to miss them. Now that we have our images ready, it's time to turn them into videos using Dzine AI's Image-to-Video tool. So go back to the dashboard and click on Image to Video. This is where the magic begins. Now type a short description of the action you want to see in the text box. For example, you might type something like baby animal smiling and falling asleep. This helps the tool understand what kind of movement or expression you want. Next, upload your image by clicking on Pick an Image. Here, you also have the option to add an end frame if you'd like to make your video look more complete. But for now, I'll just stick to a single image to keep things simple. After uploading, you'll see a few options like imagination and video duration. These settings help shape how your video will look and feel. For a quick setup, I recommend leaving these on the default settings for now. Once everything's set, go ahead and click Generate. In just a few minutes, Dzine AI will turn your image into a high-quality animated video. When you see the results, you'll be blown away by how natural and lifelike the animations look. The movements feel smooth, and it's almost like watching a real-life scene unfold. Dzine AI makes the process super easy, turning your images into fully animated videos with just a few clicks. Just repeat this process for each of your images, and soon, you'll have a collection of videos ready to share. Next, let's see how to create giant animal hugging videos. The first step is to create prompts for our images. Just copy the prompt from the video description, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT to create 6 similar prompts featuring different giant animals. In seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with 6 unique prompts for various animals, making it easy to create a variety of content. Now that we have our prompts, let's start creating the images using Dzine AI's text-to-image tool. Go to the text-to-image section, select your preferred style, and then paste in your animal prompt. Make sure to tick high quality for the best results, and click Generate. Just like that, Dzine AI will create beautiful images in no time. Follow the same steps for each of your image prompts. Once an image is ready, download it, and then move on to the next prompt. This process is super simple and fast, making it easy to build a collection of stunning visuals. Once you have all your images, it's time to animate them. Head over to the Image to Video section in Dzine AI. Upload your image and type a short description of the action you want. For instance, you could say, giant animal slowly moving its head and smiling. Then click Generate. Dzine AI will quickly bring your image to life with smooth, realistic animation. Once it looks perfect, download your animated video. If you're excited to start using Dzine AI to create your own viral baby and giant animal hugging videos, make sure to click the link in the description below. This link will take you straight to Dzine AI, where you can sign up and begin creating stunning, hyper-realistic animations right away. Now that we have our animated clips, let's add the finishing touches using CapCut. CapCut is a great editing app. First, open CapCut on your desktop or mobile device and start by importing all the videos you created. Adding some trending background music will make your videos even more engaging. So check out the YouTube audio library or Pixabay for free music options that can add that extra pop. Next, adjust your videos to a 9:16 ratio, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts. This makes sure your videos look great on mobile screens, helping to attract more viewers. To add even more impact, consider incorporating fun animations or smooth transitions between clips. These little touches keep your audience engaged and make the viewing experience more enjoyable. Once you're satisfied with your edits and how everything looks, your video is ready to share. And that's it. In a few easy steps, you're ready to create viral baby animal videos and giant animal hugging videos with AI, completely free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe for more content creation tips. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this tool or have any cool tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.